Good morning, children. On Saturday, you completed third weekly test of mathematics and Kannada. Still, many of you not sent your scored marks. Today itself is the last day to send your scored marks. In today's class, we are going to learn new lesson. We already completed the lesson number 3 and 5, which contains addition. Now, we already completed with the addition. In today's class, we will see subtraction. Lesson number 4 contains subtraction of a two-digit number. How to subtract two-digit number? In this lesson, we are going to learn. Exercise 4.1 contains subtraction concept and properties. While in addition, the concept we learned while in addition. First added, second added, sum we learned in addition. While coming to subtraction, the concept what we are going to tell and the properties, which are the properties we are having in the subtraction, we will learn one by one. This is an example. Okay? With one of the example, we will see subtraction. Venus has 10 rupees. She needs 60 rupees to buy a pencil box. See here, Venus has how many rupees? She is having only 10 rupees with her. But to buy one pencil box, how many rupees she needed? She needed 16 rupees. So, how many more rupees does she need? Means, at first she is having how much? Only 10 rupees she is having with her. But how many rupees she needs to buy one pencil box? 16 rupees. Bigger number always we have to take on the top. Okay, children, don't get confused. Always take a bigger number as a top and smaller number as a minus. Okay, Venus has 10 rupees. She needs 16 rupees to buy a pencil box. How many more rupees she needs? Okay, this is our subtraction sentence. In 6, if we subtracted nothing, in total 6, if we subtracted nothing means all the 6 will left here. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many more rupees she needs? She needs 6 more rupees to buy one pencil box. The concept we are going to learn. This 10, 6 and 4. We subtracting 6 in 10, we will get 4 as the answer. This one we are going to consider as a minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minuend. While in addition, we used to call it first as a added. First added. Second as a second added. By adding these two added, we will get the sum. While in addition, in the subtraction, the concept what going to tell means this is our minuend. This is subtrahend. By subtracting the subtrahend in the minuend, we will get the difference. This is what? These are the concept of subtraction. What do you mean by minuend? Minuend means the number for which the other number is subtracted. Means in this number only we are going to subtract the number. This is the total collection of numbers. Means this is the total amount we are having. In this we have to remove some of the number. So this is the main number we are going to subtract. Second one, subtrahend means the number that is subtracted. See children, in this total number we are going to subtract the subtrahend. Means in this total collection of money we are removing some of the money is nothing but a subtrahend. By removing, what the amount will be left with that? Means total we are having 10. At first you were having 10 rupees with you and in that 10 rupees 6 rupees you given to anybody. Means subtrahend. And that is deducted. In total 10 rupees 6 rupees were deducted. Means 6 rupees were less. How many rupees were left? 4 rupees were left. This is the answer. Otherwise, this is the difference we will get by subtracting, subtrahending, minuend. The answer we get after the subtraction operation. This is the answer. Difference is the answer. These are the three properties, first, second and third. Three properties of subtraction we are having. Just you concentrate on the board. Which is the first property of subtraction is zero property of subtraction. While in addition also we learn addition properties. Subtraction, which is the first property, zero property of subtraction as a subtrahend. As a subtrahend means, in a subtrahend, which number is considered? Zero is considered in the subtrahend. So the answer what we will get? When we subtract zero from a number. See children, when we are going to subtract zero from any number, the difference will be the number itself. See here, it's very easy. When we are subtracting zero, zero means nothing will be subtracted in a number means the answer what we will get? Number itself we will get. Means I am having 5 fingers with me. I am having 5 fingers. In this, no fingers were folded. Means 0 fingers were folded means all the fingers are open. There will be no change. The answer what we will get? We will get the number itself. This property teaches us same. If nothing is subtracted in 5 means we will get all the 5. Next, second property. If we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Means a number is subtracted by itself. 2 is subtracted by 2. 3 is subtracted by 3. Number 5 is subtracted with 5. What the answer we got here? 0. Okay. I am having 5 rupees with me. What I did? All the 5 rupees I wasted. How many rupees were left with me? No money is left with me. All the money are fell out. Means all the, now in this total 5, if I subtracted all the 5 means I will get the answer as 0. Okay. There nothing will be remained in the collection. Means in the total, if we subtracted the same number, we will get this answer as 0 itself. Last and the third property of subtraction. In subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. See children, while in addition, by changing the order of the addends, there will be no change in the sum we learn. Means, by changing first as the second addend, second as the first addend, the answer we will get same in the addition. While in the subtraction, it is not similar as a addition. Why? Because see, in total 9. This is total 9. In this 9, if we subtracted 3 means what the answer we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer we will get as a 6 for this one. Next, here the order changes. As the first as the second, second as the first. In total what we are having? This is our minuend. Our minuend is 3. In this 3, are you able to subtract 9? We are having only 3 rupees. Are you able to give 9 rupees? No. So in case of this one, the property will not be same for the subtraction. This will be difference. So they are not same. So by changing the order, we will not get the same answer. Our third property is about the order property. In subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Understood? About the three properties and the concept. This you have to copy down in a notebook for one time. Just the concept and the properties we learned today, and remaining some of the examples, everything we are going to learn in tomorrow's class. Children, still if you not send the scored marks of third weekly test means today itself is the last day. So what you have to do? You have to send us the scored marks. Copy it very neatly. Example, story, as well as the concept of the subtraction and all the three properties of subtraction, and thoroughly you have to read these three properties of subtraction and try to understand this one. Okay children, do it properly. Send it. Bye.